we are back at the horsepower factory, and you already know what time it is. We got Jason's car here. He's got the supercharger on it now. So what we're going to do today is we're going to figure out on a stock bottom end 302 with heads, cam, intake, basic, off the shelf, out of the catalog stuff, and a supercharger, what kind of power you can make. There's no telling, but we're going to find out today. All right, any guesses? Any guesses?
I ain't saying nothing.
Come on, you were actually close last time.
Was it?
Yeah, you were pretty close.
Okay. Is that what we made last time? Is that right?
I think that was the last one.
Hold on. We're back in. 302, 317?
Okay, yeah.
That was the best one? Okay.
So 302, 317, and that's with the wrong plugs in it. And you had that setting was off on the micro squirt.
Right.
So theoretically, it should have made more. How much boost?
All of it.
10 pounds? I got it set for 10 pounds.
Roughly 10 pounds of boost.
All right, we got a ramp down. We don't need any grade or anything like that because it's blower, obviously.
Yeah.
So, you want to start at 3,000, 2,800? Where's your cam come in?
It's 2,800 about what it came to.
3,000 big good stuff.
Yeah.
Everything big cool.
3,000. Alan, what do you think?
10 pounds of boost. We made 300 before.
I'm looking for at least 4.
He's the expert, so whatever he's going to be pretty
It's
close.
probably going to be 375, 380.
Really?
Probably.
That's your final number?
I'm going to go out with 420.
You think so? Think 120 more?
10 pounds?
Yeah. I'm kind of leaning towards what you're thinking. I'm gonna say I'll say 405. What's your number?
I'm still going to say like 385.
385, 390.
390.
Okay, so 390, 405, and 420. And of course, it's his dyno, and he's the tuner, and he knows these
And
things.
it's
So
stingy. So I mean, yeah, it may be closer to 400 than 420.
it is a Mustang dyno.
I think
We
it will
can't.
go over it though.
Well, I mean, I got timing low on it, so.
Well, turn this shit up.
You scared?
I mean, we are running with the whole motor here.
Ah, she's good. She's good.
She's smoking this morning.
I seen a little poof there.
Well, I just put oil in it too, though. So.
You put too much?
No,
Come on, turn it.
All right, so about time to make the first hit. I'm super excited to see what this dude does. Air on.
Crank it up, make sure we got.
Air fuel pulling.
Right, we got a good signal.
We got tag signal. Looking good. Almost 50 horsepower. No, it said something on the setup out. Right, so I think everything's good. We'll go for pull number 2. picking it up?
It was showing like 35 when he got on it, and I was like, that's not right.
Huh. Alright guys, we're gonna test and make sure it's fixed real quick. Hey, that's it? Yep. We just had a blown fuse, looked like it vibrated out, so we're gonna go ahead and try to make pass full pull number 2. Did it again. All right guys, so current situation, we are waiting on Mustang Dyno to call us back. We did have a fuse that had popped out. They dynoed this 1100 plus horsepower ProCharge truck yesterday that they built, and we replaced the fuse and it's still not reading right. So right now we're just kind of hanging out and hoping they call us back soon with a fix and we get some power numbers for you. We're working hard for you today.
Auto, let's say auto RPM, so yeah, we're good. All right.
We're gonna hold our breath. What do we do, just recalibrate? And
Yeah, we did a, it's called a parasitic loss test.
okay, cool.
You run it up to 100, goes down, and measure loss in the drive range.
Okay. And fingers crossed, we got it. Not showing it, is it? Yeah.
1.9.
It's like 4 horsepower.
4 horsepower.
Oh my God.
Man, these dudes.
Jeez. Well, that's. Alright, so we followed all Mustang Dyno's recommendations per their help desk, and we got 4 horsepower that time. Alright, another full reset. Say that's a no. We got 323, 360.
So we're back to stop.
There it is, yeah. 323, 360. Peak torque 4600.
Where's your air fuel? Is it going to 11.5 now? You didn't log it?
We just adjusted profile on this side.
Yeah, we went back to the old one without that calibration in it.
Yeah.
See what it does.
Okay. See if we can get something. See if we can get something working this time. definitely better. I think the highest I saw was like 370 something. Guys, real quick again, they had a super high horsepower truck on the dyno yesterday, and they had some sort of glitch happen, and he's been on the phone with Mustang Dyno for quite a while trying to get this straightened out. I think we're getting a little better, but that's what all the polls are for, because it's still not reading 100% accurate. So fingers crossed, we're gonna get those numbers. Put more fuel in it, or is that it? Alright guys, we got more fuel in it. It was getting really lean up top, so let's see what happens this time. Alright guys, so that's pretty much going to be a wrap. It's just running out of fuel. The highest that I could see in the video, it did touch 390. But again, right around between 47, 5 grand, it's running out of fuel, and pumps plenty. I think it's a 340 pump, but the injectors are just not enough. So we're going to have to revisit this, because, you know, we got to know how much power it's going to make. So we didn't get to play with the time, we didn't get to do anything, simply because you know, we had the issues with the dyno, and then of course the fueling issues. So we will definitely be back and have the exact numbers that the car is making, and it runs great on the street. It runs really great on the street. So yeah, it's gonna be a great time. Shouldn't be too long. Just swap those injectors, get the tune, get back down here. So if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and be back next time.